Hi there, students. An altercation. An altercation. This is a loud argument, a dispute, a disagreement. Yeah, people shouting at each other. Yeah, they might start hitting each other as well. So there was an altercation between two men in the street. I think the altercation started inside a pub and they went out and started to beat the hell out of each other. So an altercation, a noisy argument or disagreement, but particularly in publics with other people watching. Yeah, a quarrel, a squabble, a shouting match. I quite like that phrase, a shouting match. A noisy disagreement. Yeah, I had an altercation with the ticket collector who said that I couldn't travel on this train. I had a small altercation with the security guard who then threw me out. So an altercation, an argument, a row, a clash, a disagreement, yeah, is when two people don't agree and they start shouting at each other. Yeah, it's a heated argument, a heated quarrel where people, yeah, they're angry, they're squabbling, they're not happy about the about the situation. So yeah, some sort of bickering, loud bickering, dissent. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the meeting descended into an altercation between two of the delegates. He got into a heated altercation with a stranger. Yeah. Okay. There was an altercation between a policeman and a driver who had parked his car where the policeman didn't like it. Yeah, there are often minor altercations between members of the same family. Okay, so yeah, is where people don't agree with each other, where they start to quarrel. It's a noisy, heated, angry dispute. Yeah, if you get into an altercation with your boss, try and calm the situation down. Yeah, it's a noisy fight, a noisy problem. It doesn't necessarily say that the people start hitting each other, but it could be. Yeah, they could even start shooting at each other. But altercation is just a disagreement. Yeah, loud argument, loud disagreements. So have you ever had an altercation with your girlfriend or your wife? Yeah, it's a heated quarrel or conflict which sometimes can get violent, but it doesn't have to be violent. That's the point. So an affray, a fracas, a dust up, a wrangle, a row, a squabble. Yeah, a clash. Yeah, so to have an altercation with somebody. Yeah, note it. I don't think there's a verb. So I was looking for a verb to altercate, but I really don't think there is a verb, unfortunately, to it. Yeah, so to have an altercation with someone, a heated, angry dispute. Let's see, formality and altercation. Yeah, I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I wouldn't use it informally. Yeah, I think this is definitely on the formal side. An altercation, a wrangle, a dispute with shouting and angry people. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, alterco, which means to quarrel, to have a wrangle. Originally, this comes from alter, the other. So I guess you've got different opinions. Yeah, they're alternate opinions, and this is the idea of alterco. So, an altercation, a loud, shouty argument. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Altercation.